How to fix Fantasy Premier League substitute not working. So this issue might arise because your application is not up to date. In order to check it out, head over to your App Store. Here in the source bar, search for Fantasy Premier League. And then you have to head over to this app. Right here, instead of open, if it shows the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. In this case, all you want to do is tap on update and update your app to the latest version. Once your application is up to date, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of your device. Move into general. Head over to iPhone storage. In here, search for the application Fantasy Premier League and then move into it. Over here, tap on Offload App and then once again click on Offload App. It means clearing the cache and the storage of the application. It might fix the issue that you have been facing on Fantasy Premier League. If not, the next thing you want to do is simply uninstall the application and reinstall it again. Reinstalling the app will definitely help you out and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can fix Fantasy Premier League substitute not working. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.